Yo! Yo, let's go! Oh. Why do I have this stuff? Why do I have a bee? I just heard my friend plays this game, and, must have played this before, but I don't remember. Let's go visit this guy. Wait, this does seem a little familiar, though. Quests. Oh, I have quests. Oh, okay. Yo. What's this? View permanence. Can actually buy some of these. Whoa. Diamond egg. Whoa, what is this? Royal jelly, 10 royal jellies. It's weird. Whoa. It's actually really cool. Let me go visit this place. That's a new bear. Is he even named New Bear? Yeah, sure, why not? Whoa. That's like 10,000. I even barely know the game. Oh, look. Oh, so what do I do with this? I wonder what that is. Wait, what's that? What's that? Something in that window. Parkour. Oh, well. I also have some things. It looks like a Minecraft hotbar. I don't know what it is, though. Oh, collect pollen from flowers. Whoa, what the heck? What is this? Open this shop. Whoa, that's weird. Spy basic eggs, it's called, I guess. There's a gunshot. Wait, so do I use eggs on here? Yeah, looks like I can. Basic bees, that's kind of sad, so then I do the same thing. Red bee, red rare. Oh, this is cool actually. Got a basic bee and a red rare. That's awesome, I think. Yo, let's get farming. I'm making honey. Oh, there's a mushroom area. Wait, what's that R thing? Up there. That looks like a red jelly, or I think it was called. How do you get up there, though? Is that a... What is that? Is that a stick bug? That is. Why is there... What the heck? Ah, ladybug. Help me. It's trying to kill me. Yo, it just killed me. Yo, get these. That is good. And I wonder what this is. Instant what? Yo, I just got this. Got frozen one snowflake. It's not even winter anymore. Can I get up? HQ. You can become an HQ. This game with like 4 or something. Black bear. Oh. Oh, it's actually, where I am, it's rain today. Why is it Christmas music when it's not? No, it's not pretty much. 25 B types. I have like 3 B types, I think that is. Wait, what does that even mean? What is this? Complete. Badges. This is kind of actually cool. What is that? What is that? Is it like fade? Kind of like glass looking. Can I not get it? What is this? Let me in this computer. Whoa. Oh, hooray for you. Yay. Am I hacking? Yo, what just happened? How did I just get teleported back here? What the heck? That beat looks tired. What is this? That's a royal jelly. That's what I saw in the things. Whoa, secret passage. I'm discovering more about this game. Whoa, no, this is me. Dun, 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 dun. Hooray from you. Jelly beans! Scatters varies buff granting beans on herby flowers. Works best with cherry. I don't know what that is. My friend's an expert at this game, and I wanted to play it because of him. He plays this game, so yeah. I'm playing this because of him. Yo, I got a ticket. 5! I thought that was 1. Just a ticket. Oh, 5. Used to activate purchases and used to activate and purchases special things. What? 45 days, 8 hours, 51 minutes, and 20 seconds. Oh, I have no idea what that's for. What's that? Yeah, that's the exit. So what do I do? Because I just know my friend plays this. What's this? Can I get in there? Who is this guy? What? I don't even know that guy. Seriously though, I don't. And what? It says I'm subscribed to him, but I'm not. Maybe just a little glitch. Or something. I don't know. What's that? Mother bear, hello. Dang, that's a lot. Quests. Whoa. I'm just grabbing this. No, I'm just buying for honey. Treat? What do I use these treats on? Can I farm these? Dandelion field. Isn't this dandelion field? Or something. Mushroom field. Hold up. That looks like a mushroom that the stick bug is on top. Wait, parkour to get that? Can I do parkour to like get there? I see that. This PC, it's going to be very difficult to do the parkour. No. Sorry, got it. Ah. It's going to sleep. Seriously? No, I hit the jump. Are you kidding me? Oh, this is going to take a very long time. You're gonna watch me do it. I need to get that thing. Yo. Yes. You found a royal jelly. Pretty sure that's good, right? Yo, wait. Oh, I see. Oh, so these come like as time goes on. So I can just keep Yo, what? What is that? What is this? I have to farm it. Alright, that's gonna take too long. Let me check my tasks. Quests. Thingies. Nope, wrong one. Whoever does the best gets a royal jelly. Yo, Exhausted Bee is doing a lot. I'm pretty sure that's Exhausted Bee. Exhausted Bee, you get the treat. Whoa. It's epic. Wait, so I wonder what, like... Haste one? Energy infinite. Wait, what? Wait, so then... Energy 20. So, you're saying Exhausted Bee would still have infinite energy, though? What? Now that's just weird, because it has energy. What is this? Who's that guy? That guy looks like he's, like, really good. This guy looks really good. Alright, I'm gonna try to plant these things. Whatever. Oh, paper planter. I just leveled up basic bee or something. That's gonna take a long time. I'm just gonna come back and then harvest it, because it's probably no use anyways. Right now. Gotta get really good at the game. That's just Dandelion Field. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Computer, stop it. What can I do with jelly beans? Bond with a bee. Alright, hold up. I'm gonna give this guy some. All 8. Whoa, what the heck? Whoa. Those things. I have no idea what this game does or is about, but like, I'm you know, just kind of new. What is this? Okay, I need to join the club. Shouldn't be too hard. What is this? How much? 14,000 honey. So I know how to make honey. I'm just gonna harvest this while I'm destroying this. You know, I'm not really good at this game. Whoa. I kinda did a little bit. Basic B is out of energy. Jesus Christ. I'm barely getting any of this. Hold on, no, stop like. Yo. What is this? I'm hardly harvesting anything. Seriously, Demo B? How long do you go in there? It's gonna make honey until Demo B or something wakes up. For then, I'm just gonna eat a little cracker. Diamond egg, 10. Whoa, that's cool. 100 tickets, 5 ticket planters, 10 magic beans, 15 oils, 15. Maybe. Why not? Yeah, I'm really good now. Not actually. I can get better. So I got a diamond egg. Pretty sure that's like a thing I can hatch because it's an egg. Yes. Whoa, legendary. Yo, come on, bees. Going to the shop. Oh, I need ingredients for this. Got a vacuum. How much does this vacuum do? Or what does this vacuum do? Wait, look, this man has the same thing as me. Except he just does that weird thing all the time. Look. Stop. Look. When he swings his arms, that's the same thing I do. Look. Just watch. See? Except I don't say hi. Yeah, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Probably just kind of wasted a lot of money. Is there anything like I can? Yo. This game is actually really fun. This game is actually really fun, if I'm being honest. Too bad, like, my friend can't play with me right now, like, at this point. Yeah, I got like 4 of them making honey. Let's go. Hold up. I'm probably gonna wrap it up and play a different game. Like, but stop, not record, because I haven't been recording for a while today. But I'm gonna try something. Hold up. There's an exclamation mark here, which I bet is, you know. Now hold up. Got 10 honey tokens. Don't ask me what that is. Yeet. What? Hmm? 200 honey, let's go. Pretty good. a server. Actually, only like 4. That's not a lot. I don't understand. How do you get up? Why do I have a... tickets? I got tickets. Gold egg. Alright, some gold. Can I this guy? Cup buddy. What's up, cup buddy? A sprout has appeared. Yo. How do I get there? I can't even jump on them. I think that's a ticket. Let's go. Good tickets. This guy's just vacuuming them up. My guy is just vacuuming up this. What is this? I wonder what that is. Yo, no! I'm really bad at this. But don't worry. Okay, not even going. Wait, I bought some golden eggs so I can actually have like lots of bees. What was that? Yo, what is this? Yo, this is good. It's cool. Not even completed a deed. No. Yeah, I just leveled up like with that. So I bought some eggs, and we're gonna. And while that's happening. That's so cool. Ready, let's do this. Nice, that's cool. Yeah, this is really cool. Well, hold up, guys, one sec. Alright, guys, sorry. I have a lot of bees following me, you know. Where's your honey? Yo, what? Yo, what? Star jelly thing? Deadly parkour? Where's that place that has like 5? I'm not controlling this. and it was just like automatically controlling. Let's go in here. Oh, did I get rid of any bees? Oh wow, they just died really fast. What is that? Is that cheese? Oh, ticket. Can I get in? Yeah, this is really cool. Can I get in? Okay, this is like a place I can't really go. Oh, I found a ticket in here. Yo, what is this? How do I get... What? No, kill them, kill them, kill them. No, he's actually like killing me. If I die, I'm going to probably do something that's going to make me restart. Yo, yes. I got this. What the heck is with that bee face? I don't have enough, but I'm just kind of... What's with this music? No. The computer was just controlling itself. I can't tell what's happening. There's a place that says HQ. How did I get up there? That's like one place I do need to get up to. Yeah, thanks. Why? What type of egg? HQ. How do I get up? It says you need 4 bees. Well, I have 4 bees. How do I get up? Uh-oh. Oh dang, I forgot. Guys, I'm gonna end it off here. See y'all later. Signing off.